Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the connective muscular arterial or muscular body parts of a model on the complete anatomy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, select the model. Here in the left side corner of the screen, tap on the relevant one, and after that you can check out the connective. If you tap on the plus icon, you can check out the layer. You can check the muscular one and also the arterial. If you tap on a body part, you can check out, for example, the skin, this arm, forearm, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.